Do you hate making dodgy paper aeroplanes? Do you always find yourself stuck on those annoying tutorials? If so, this is the video for you, as Maxos is here to help you out.
Hey everyone, it's your boy MaxOS, and today we're going to be learning how to make a simple paper aeroplane in easy steps. So first of all, you're going to want to get a A4 piece of paper like so, and you're going to want to fold it in half like this. And you want to make sure that there's a crease, and then you want to unfold it like so. Now you have to grab the corner, one side of the corner, and bring it to the middle down like this. And same for the other side. And try and make sure they meet at the middle. Now, grab one of these sides and fold it to the middle, like so. Try and make sure that it covers this triangle and they also meet in the middle. At the moment, your paper aeroplane should look like this. Now, you have to fold it in half and fold them over like so, and crease the middle. And now we need to make the wings. So we're going to make them, you can make them any size, but I recommend around this much space for the body. So you're going to fold it, make sure that it's like a line, and then crease it. So as you can see, there's a little bit of space for the body, and you just have to make it a consistent crease as your wing, and then you do the same for the other side, and try and make them around the same size, and make sure you make a crease. It may not be perfect, but hopefully it should work, and it should look like this, with a small but large enough body over here, and big enough wings for flight. And you should have one layer of the wing like this, and then it drops down to this, and they should be separate. For extra stability, you can make little winglets by folding up a little bit of the wing like so, and then making them stand up like this. But anyway, let's test it out. Right everyone, so now we've got our paper aeroplane, so now we can test it out and see if it works. So I would recommend holding it around here. So it's not exactly at the front, and it's not in the middle, and it's not at the back. It's sort of in between the front and the middle. So what you've got to do is, you've got to throw it not too hard and not too soft. You've got to make it hard enough so that it doesn't just flop to the ground. You've also got to make it soft enough so it doesn't have too much force and fly everywhere. So once you're ready, get in a good position, just like that. So yeah, the aeroplane works pretty well, but it really depends on your throwing style. So once you make it, you can experiment on what works best for you. Once you finish the building part of it, you can start working on cosmetic parts, and you can do decorating as I'm showing on screen now. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it helped you out. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to MaxOS, and most importantly, have a great day. See ya everybody!
Thank you.